This is what I was using to hang my towels on my shower before. I got these little nice metal hooks that also have a suction cup and a sticky part. So as you can see, it's sticking to my hand. I'm tossing that because I do not need that anymore. As you can see, I already hung one up and I love it so much. I'm putting a lot of pressure on there and it's not coming off. All you have to do is, there's gonna be a little plastic part right here. You're just gonna have to take that off. You're gonna unscrew it a little bit, not too much or it'll come apart. And then you're gonna see it's sticky. All you have to do is stick it on your surface and then twist it like that. And now your hooks are ready to go. I used this on stone as well and it stayed pretty well. I just prefer it on glass because I think it makes my bathroom look a lot nicer. I have 2 towels right here. I'm gonna go ahead and hang them both up. And as you can see, my towels are not falling and the hooks are staying. Those are both 2 really good things that I just love, and I'm very appreciative because my other hook kept falling and it was annoying. So now I can get out of the shower and not have to get my floor soaking wet because my towels are gonna be right here and they're not gonna go anywhere. So if you're looking to upgrade your house and make sure that your towel is where you need it to be and you don't have to flood your floor anymore, these are definitely a good choice. I'm Kinsey and I'll see you next time.